Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this lecture, we are going to breaking your switch, okay, JavaScript switch statement here. Here, let's okay, guys. The first thing we'll talk about in the definitions. Okay, it is like based on the condition switch select one or more code block to be executed. Switch execute the code block that match an expression in that is true. Then switch if often used as a more readable alternative to many if feels like a statement. Okay, especially when dealing with multiple possible values here. So the thing how switch works. Okay, so how it is work here? JavaScript look at the expressions. It compare the value with each case. When it find a match, that code will be run. Then break statement here. We will also use break stop the switch. It is very important to use. Okay. If no match, default runs. Basically, your default case will be run here. So let's just want to write here the expression about that here, like a syntax. Here you have your basic syntax. This is like, let me cut it from here. Put here on the top. This is here. Here you have to write switch. Then we have expressions. This is here expression. Then inside here we have like case x. Then here break statement you have to must be used. Then we have another case y. Then after that here we have the code block. Then break statement. Then at the end we have the default case. Okay, it is the code blocks. So it is just simple thing here. What is causing this one? Expected, where it is expected x y break. Then okay, I know this is this one. You have to use colons. So this is your basic syntax about switch. Okay, switch statement here. Here like you will get inside the expression. Then we will here JavaScript look at the expressions. This is your expression inside it. You can consider it is a conditions. Okay, it is used in the place of like you have too many else if condition. So in that place you can use your switch. Okay, switch statement you say JavaScript look at the expression here where the expression it compare the value within the each case. So this is expression here. This expression we will compare with each here with each values. Value means this is like here we have the case x, then case y. Okay, break stop the switch. Okay, this is here we have to use break statement. Also here break statement. Okay, if these two conditions false. Okay, if these two conditions are false, then by default we will execute in this code blocks. Let me here you can write comment code block. Okay, then similarly for y case, and then here we have okay your code block. So if these two conditions are false, okay, here we will checking your expression value with this one expression value. If it is match, we will execute that case. Okay, similarly if it is match, then we will execute that case. Otherwise if don't match anyone, then we will in the default case we will execute in this code blocks here. This is simple here how switch works. So let me here we will explain with examples. So here let's here we will work here inside here we view expressions new date. This is new date dot get days. Okay, then inside here like here you will write in the case 0. Then here we will sign days which is equal to like Sunday. Then we will here break. Okay, break, this is your code block here. This days it is code block, and then here we will break here get day return 0. If get day return 0, then we will execute, and this is here this is your days. Then similarly we will create another case it is 1. Then here's days, which is equal to Monday. This is Monday here. Okay, similarly. Okay, let me create you. Okay, after that we will break that case. Then we have another case. It is like 0, 1, 2. Then we have the day. Days, which is equal to Tuesday. Then next case here first break. Then we have case 3. Then here you write the days, which is equal to Tuesday. Then here Wednesday. Here write Wednesdays. This is your Wednesday. And then we will break. After that here we will break that case. Okay. In the next case, it is 4, 5th, 6. Here case 4th. This is here. Here colon. Then here we have code block. That is Thursday. Okay. Then here you need to break. Okay. The next is here. We have a case 5th. Here's day. That is equal to Friday. Then we will break that code blocks. The next is here 6th. Here we have the case it is 6, and that is a day, it is equal to Saturday. Okay, get day, return 6 if this is now. Here you can console it log, like here you can write create net variable it day. Then at the end, okay, let me check it here. Here what we will get in the returns. Here console dot log, and you see here your days. Anyway, so it is a very simple. Here I want to tell you about this thing. Here new date dot get day. Basically what is it is happening here. It is the get day. Okay, function give weekend numbers like 0, 1, 2. Here this will give you the number like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is here. This will be this expression give you number that is your weekend day like 0. Okay, like 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday. Okay, similarly then 6 for Saturday. So here whatever we have to date, then that days we have inside this variable days. Then here we have console log. So let me check it guys. And here you have to comment, otherwise it causes this because we have not defined your expression xyz. Comment, and then we will try to execute net files. Here right mind underscore script. Okay, here one thing to the note. Then you see you will get here undefined, but why? This is here in this variable something wrong. This is it is equal to this is here is equal to let me again try to execute, and you see you to date is Thursday. Okay, so I have already told you this expression give you the number like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and so that's why here we have already written 0 for we believe Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday. Okay, this one it will be return the number from 0 to 6, and it is return the current like today. Here current days. So what we have for current days in this weekend? Simple thing. Console.log. You have to always verify with that console.log. It is very simple to understand here. You see So let me try to execute it. You see what we will get here. It is 4. So today it is the 4th weekday. So that's why it is 4. So you have to check the condition. Here it is match. Okay. This expression here, this expression value match with this 4 case. Okay, like we have compared it with this case values. So if it is like true, okay, then we will inside there we will put your Thursday and go out of this switch case like break. Okay, so this is a simple thing. And then we have to now here break stop JavaScript from following through the next case. Without break, it keep running down the list. So example. So we have another example. This is here. Here you have your begin example. Then here why break is important. Okay, this is your topics. This is why break is important. Break stop JavaScript from falling through to the next case. Without break, it keeps running down the list. Here we have the example. So the thing here. Let me here we will create a variable let fruity is equal to nipple. Then here we will write in the switch case fruity. Then inside it here just case just here case apple. Here we will write console.log you selected apple. Then we will create another case. Okay, let me here case banana. This is a banana. Then here we will write console.log that is you selected. Here you selected banana 2. Okay, so it is a simple thing. Just here I want to explain here why it is important. Here why break is important. Break stop JavaScript from falling through to the next case here. So if this is true, then I don't want to execute this code because it is true here. You see this expression fruit here. This is fruit and match with this one. Okay, this value. So just we want to execute in this code block, not in this one. Okay, so here so you see the second it is without break. Without break means here we have not yet used break keyword like this is here. Okay, break keyword. So here we have not used here yet. So then without break it keep running down the list means this code also execute here. So let's try. Let me execute here say this, then execute and you see here you selected apple and then you selected banana 2. So that's why here you have to use. Okay, so that's why here you have to use break keyword. It is very important. So you have to always use break keyword. Just what you want to execute your case. Okay, suppose this expression is matched with apple, then just I want to execute in this code block. Not I'm going to another list here and execute in this case like you see here we have the banana 2. So let me again try to execute and this time you see you selected apple. So this is here you selected an apple. Let me comment this is here, otherwise it calls this one. This is okay. So CLS. Then you see you selected an apple. So also let me comment this is now. Then printed here we your default case fallback. Here use default when nothing matches. This is here your default case. Yes. Let me just I want to execute. This is here. Let me create here switch inside here new date here dot new date not engage days. Then inside here case sig int where the text is equal to today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Then here you write in the break Then we have another case it is 0, then text it is equal to today it is Sunday. Okay, so today, then you have to break that case. Then here we have our default case, default text is equal to looking forward to here's weekend. This is here the default case fallback. If here not match anyone, so okay, today it is what? It is fourth. Okay, fourth weekend days. I know because here already that here we console.log. Okay, so that's why here today is not your 6 days and fourth days. I know already. So let your text. So that's why here we will execute your default case. Here console.log. Here console.log. Then here you have your text. Then tap to execute net files and you save the result. Looking forward to weekend. Okay. Suppose here I know today is fourth weekday of your weekend. I know this is the fourth day of your weekend that you see console.log here using. So at this time we will execute this code. Today is Saturday, not your default case. So you'll find it and you say today is Saturday. Okay, this is simple thing. Then here the default case can some that come first also. So here you can put your default case on the top. It is also true, no matter where you can put in that code. This is copy comment. Also you have to comment, and then here cut. Here let me cut it. Then if you put here on the top, this is here. Okay. Then this is also fine, guys. Okay, no worry about it. That you have to always put your default case at the end. Just here you have to use some keyword. So if it is nothing, then here you say looking forward to weekend. So let me check it here. You will get here your result. Suppose it is now 6, and then execute it files, and let me here format your document. Here we make the text. So today I want to execute net code, and it is getting nothing. What is happening here? The default is not last, must use break. And we have used the default case can come first. This also work. And why it is not working here? Okay, let me console.log your text. This is here. Just what you have in that. Okay, the thing in here we have forward to is here looking forward to weekend, because here we have not hit console.log, so that is you will get nothing here in the terminal. So everything is going well. Then here we have next thing here. I'm going to about grouping cases common code blocks. Topic, it is a grouping cases common code block. Here multiple cases can share the same output. So suppose here we will write the code. Here we can use this one. Copy this. Copy it and paste it here simply. Remove your comment from here. Okay, it is fine. Then here inside it here, suppose let me first here cut this code, put that in the end, remove break keyword, format your document, and then here. Okay, here case it is like fourth, then case this is fifth. Then again we will here case like 0, then case that is sixth. Then we have okay, not like this. like this 6 colon. Okay, then we have default case. So you will see what multiple cases can share the same output. This is here. Here if it is true, okay, here today it is the fourth days of weekend. So here we will also execute in this code because here we have not yet used the break keyword. So that's why we will execute this is 2 days Saturday. Then we will break from here, not execute this code. So just we will check it here. Then here CLS. Then execute your file and you say today it is Saturdays. Okay. Here you see like case 4 and 5 run the same code block. This is here run the same code block, and case 0 and 6 here run the same code block. This means correct. Means this here text is Sundays. Okay, so this is a simple thing. Then here it is a very important, so choose strict comparisons. Here this means type must match exactly. So that's why here let just here x is equal to inside string to 0 suppose. Then here switch inside, here you have your x expression case 0. Then here text it is equal to inside string of. Then we will use the break. Then here we like this. Then text is equal to here write the on and then break. Then here we write the default. Then here we write the text it is equal to no value. This is here no value found. Simple thing. Okay, so here just I want to say here a strict comparison. This is equal type and values. So here why no match here? X is a x 0 here. This x it is a string and this is a 0 it is a number. Case 0 is a number. So 0 string is not is equal to 0. It is false default. Here we will run new default case. It is a text. Okay, let me also create that variable text. Then it is called issue because here we already did. You should comment here. Copy this console log. So here you have to tell me what you will get in the result. You will get your default case because this is 0 string and this is a number. So it is not match here. Okay, using here strict comparison operators, it is equal to equal value and equal type. So that's why we will going to default case and no value found. So here you see no value found. Here it is the result. After that, here at the end we have one more examples for you about traffic light system, how it is work. So let me here create here a variable, like at the traffic light signals. If it is red, then you have to stop. If it is yellow, then you have to get ready. If it is a green signal, then you have to go. Otherwise, it is invalid color. So just here write traffic light it is equal to yellow. Then here you have to use switch traffic light, and then inside here case it is red, and then console.log. Just here you have to stop. Then here break statement. Next case, this is case here you will, then we will write console.log get radius. Then here you have to must be break. Then case here green signal about your green signal console.log. Now you have to go. Then you have to must break. Then here you have default case, that is what invalid console action log. Invalid cursor is very simple thing. You see here what is my logic here. If this expression like traffic light match with your case, this is yellow, so it is red, so it is not match. It is yellow, so we will match with this case yellow case, and in the terminal you will get output as a get reddish. So here it makes your net, and you see get reddish in the result here. So it's a simple thing, guys.